This 2025 Redwood RV Redwood 412GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Redwood RV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.